Imagine storing your food with nothing but a block of ice. Decades ago, iceboxes were the heart of every kitchen, requiring daily deliveries to keep perishables fresh. Fast forward to today, and our fridges can do so much more. Think touchscreens, cameras, and even remote temperature control. The pain of spoiled milk or daily ice runs is now replaced by the convenience of smart technology that keeps our food fresher, longer. Which era would you choose? The charm of the past or the innovation of the present?